Hello everyone, my name is Emily Seibert and I am a product designer on the fulfillment team here at GitLab. And today I'm going to be walking you through the experience of making a purchase for GitLab.com. So we're starting here on the marketing site where a new user might start. And as a new user, I might, click around the site a little bit, learn a little bit more about GitLab. But for right now, we're just going to go straight to pricing and assume that the user has already done that sort of, looking around. So I can either choose a GitLab.com plan, which is our SaaS offering, or I can choose a self-managed plan where I host my own instance. For this particular demo, we're going to be looking at the GitLab.com offerings. So in this example, let's say that I have decided that Bronze is the right plan for me. So far it's been a pretty good experience. There's lots of great information on the marketing site. I can see how much it's going to be. I can see what features are included. So I'm going to click buy now. I'm ready to purchase the Bronze plan. So you can see now that I've sort of been violently thrown into this new world, or it's asking me to connect to GitLab.com. And I'm pretty confused here because I'm a new user. I don't know how to connect to GitLab.com. It says I need to link my GitLab.com account. I don't even have one of those yet. Additionally, these two sort of competing buttons. Not really sure what I'm supposed to click on here. And savvy users will notice that the URL actually changed here. So we're now on customers.gitlab.com, but that wasn't ever really communicated to me. The visual style certainly changed, but at no point was I ever communicated to that I was going somewhere different. So to move forward, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this and see what happens. Okay, so it looks like now I am on the page to sign up for a GitLab.com account, either sign in or register. And you'll notice that the URL has changed again. We're back to GitLab.com. So I'm going to go ahead and create a GitLab.com account now. Even though I was a little confused by the previous page, this page seems reasonable enough. I'm going to go ahead and register for a GitLab.com account. I'll put in a username. That username's available. I'm going to go ahead and use a temp email here. Password. We'll accept the terms of service. We'll choose some crosswalks here. All right, great. I am now able to register. But wait, I'm not able to fully register because it's asking me to confirm my account before I can go further. So I'm going to go to my email and look for the confirmation instructions. This isn't completely terrible to me as a user because a lot of companies do this, but it's not great. I really want to get in and purchase GitLab, but instead I'm being forced to confirm my account first. So I get in here and see that I have the confirmation instructions, and I'm going to click the link to confirm my account. All right, so my email address has been successfully confirmed and I need to sign in. So I'm going to sign in with my account that I just created. All right, now that I've signed in, I thought I was going to be able to purchase my GitLab.com account finally, but instead it's telling me to please complete the required fields. So I'm back on customers.gitlab.com, and it's asking me to register again, which is really confusing because I just registered, and I'm not really sure, why they need me to register a second time and what the difference is really here. So I'm going to go ahead and register, but it's a little bit confusing to me. All right, so we're going to go ahead and register here. Okay, we've successfully signed up. Okay, now it looks like we're back to the Bronze plan, so we are purchasing the Bronze plan. There is a lot of information on this page, and honestly, it's kind of confusing. Kind of information overload here. it's telling me that I can purchase a plan for either my personal account or for a group on GitLab, and the group plan is recommended, but it doesn't look like I can apply it to a group here. And I don't even really know how I would create a group at this point to apply it to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sign up for my subscription for what they call users here. I'm just gonna add a coupon code for the purposes of this demo. So then I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to checkout. Okay, finally, I am at the payment part. As a user, this is what I've been trying to get to all along. I've decided I wanted to buy the bronze plan. I just want to pay GitLab for that. I might look here and try to pay a different way, but it seems that there's only one way to pay, so I'm not really sure why this is a drop down. I'm going to go ahead and input my card number, so I'm probably going to skip over this in the video. All right, it looks like it's processing now. And congratulations, we get this success state. And at first I'm really excited. I successfully purchased the bronze plan. And now I want to go use it. And I'm not really sure how to get to GitLab and actually use the plan. So let me try to click on this. But this just took me to a page that's telling me about what's new in GitLab. This didn't actually take me to GitLab, so let me go back. Maybe if I click on this, it'll take me to GitLab. But this just took me to information about my subscription. And upgrade, I just bought it. I don't know if I need to upgrade. Let's see. Contact us. Let's click on all these links and see if any of these take me to GitLab. Nope, none of these links are actually going to take me to GitLab. So in order to actually go and use my bronze plan, I'm going to have to type gitlab.com into the address bar. So I can actually go to gitlab.com and use my bronze account. And you'll see if I go into settings, in the billing section, you'll see that I am successfully using the bronze plan. All right, switching gears a little bit now. In the first part of the video, we went through the experience of making a purchase for GitLab.com as a brand new user, someone who didn't have a GitLab.com account. In this case, let's go through that same experience, but as someone who does already have a GitLab.com account. Maybe they've been using our free plan for a while. You know, they've created some groups, they've created some projects, they've really seen the value in GitLab, and now they really want to upgrade. So you can see I'm logged in as this user. I have a group, and I'm going to go into my settings, and I'm going to start the process of upgrading my account from the free account to the bronze plan. So I'm going to click upgrade here in the bronze plan. So far this was a pretty good experience. It's pretty easy to find the way to upgrade here. You know, it's just right there in my account settings and under billing. That made sense. You know, it's showing me how much per user and what features I'm going to get. So I think at this point I'm ready to upgrade to the bronze plan. So I'm going to click to upgrade. At this point, we're thrown out of GitLab.com and onto this connect to GitLab.com. So it's saying before purchasing a plan, we'll need to link to my GitLab.com account. So I can sign into GitLab.com. It's kind of confusing because it's saying already made a purchase, sign in up here, so I'm a little confused which one I want to click on at this point. But I think I need to click on this one. And if we're really savvy, we'll notice that the URL has changed. So we're at customers.gitlab.com, so we're actually no longer on gitlab.com. But we might not have noticed that, we might have. Either way, we're going to click to sign in to go to gitlab.com. All right, so it's telling me to please complete the required fields. So it's saying sign in or create an account to purchase and manage my subscriptions. So I'm a little confused at this point because I thought I already had a GitLab.com account. I've been using it for a while. You know, I have a group, I have a project, I've been working on issues. So I don't really know why I need to sign up again. So this is a little confusing to me as a user, but I'm gonna go ahead and sign up. right, so we're going to register here. All right, at this point, it's asking me to choose a personal plan or group plan. So I can purchase a plan either for my personal account or for a group on GitLab.com. So when I say the subscription is for either a user or a group, this makes a lot more sense to me as a user who's been using this for a while than in our previous example, a user who was brand new to this, because I do see myself right here, Emily Test 3, that's my name for the purposes of this example, or my group, test group here, and I'd see any other groups that I have set up as well, if I had any. So I can see how I can apply this bronze plan to either my namespace as a user or to one of the groups. So I'm going to choose to apply it to my namespace. All right, so we're going to proceed to checkout here. All right, we're to the page where we're actually going to pay for this. It's a little weird that it's telling me I've signed up successfully up here. That seems like it might just be a holdover from another page, but it's a little confusing to see on a page that's really about paying for things. Again, we have this drop down here that just has one option in it, so I'm not really sure why it's a drop down. And also, this form is in kind of a weird order. The cardholder name is at the end, and that seems a little strange. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out this card number, and we'll skip ahead in the video to the processing. All right, so it's processing the request. And congratulations, you just created your bronze plan. So for me as an existing user, maybe I really do want to check out what's new in GitLab. You know, I've been using it for a while, so that might be interesting to me. But again, the same as with a new user, I have no way to get back to GitLab.com. You know, I'm a user that's been using it for a while on the free plan, has just upgraded to, you know, a bronze, silver, or gold plan. And I want to go back to GitLab and, you know, check out my new plan, see the new features, actually use it. But to do that, I actually have to type GitLab.com into the address bar, which is obviously not a great experience. But when I go back to GitLab.com that way and go into my settings and my billing page, I can see that I am currently using the bronze plan. So that is how an existing user would make a purchase for GitLab.com.